So, ito yung dinner ko ngayon, guys. Jollibee! And of course, the pistachio kunafa here in Jollibee, guys. So, first try ko to. Actually, matagal ko nang kung gustong imukbang. Try natin. Yummy. For today, my favorite sundae na may kunafa pistachio. Solo flight ako ngayon, guys. So, take away kay Cutie Pie. Actually, nagbili ako nito sa Sarap DG ng aking secret. Ready to unboxing.